Here's our injector tractor that we're packing silage with. We have the swinger folded up so that we can use the tractor for pushing silage as well as injecting manure. Now we also have a vibratory sheep's foot roller. Additional packing, we found that does a better job than just tractors. To get a denser pack, also makes it smoother on top by using a wide drum. As soon as we're done packing silage, we take the blade off and go right back to manure injection again. To go from packing silage to manure injecting, it's just a matter of unhooking the blade, hooking up to the injector. It's very simple. It does not take much time because we're not having to take the swinger off or put it back on, because we can let the swinger on the tractor because we have it folded up. So it's not this big tail hanging way out the back. If we had to take the swinger off, we wouldn't switch back and forth. But here with this, we can go from packing silage to manure injection and then go back to packing again. We fit the silage packing in between the manure injection, and with this swinger it makes it very convenient to switch back and forth. If you want to find out more, give me a call on my cell phone, 610-468-9666.